This is the easiest way to make money with AI, and I'm just surprised how few people are doing it. Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma, and let me show you the easiest way to get started. You've been waiting your entire life for that one day when you will have that degree, one day when you will have that experience, one day when everyone will actually give you the permission to start making money and make a living of your own. Become independent. 2021, I wanted to start a marketing company and I turned my one day into day one. Bought the domain, opened the website, made the announcement on LinkedIn and got my first client in February itself. And I was good to go. That one act of courage became a 5-year-long journey in which we started the marketing company, got an office, hired people, worked with the biggest brands of India and made money doing so. And in this video, I'm about to show you how you can turn that one day into day one. If you have, let's say, 2 to 3 hours of free time every single day and you want to make some side income, let's say 25,000 rupees, your first 30,000, 40,000 rupees per month, you can easily get started with this. And the best part, you don't need to go online for it. It all happens around your locality where you are living. The first step is to look for businesses around you. These could be salons, these could be dentists, these could be clinics, ration shops, supermarkets, pet stores. These are small businesses and their biggest challenge is the lack of visibility. So the first step is to find out what are these businesses. For example, let's say this is where I live in Bangalore. So I can basically just search for dentists and I'll basically get a list of all the clinics around me. These are all the clinics that have a physical presence. They are available on Google Maps, but they might not have a website. So if I click on any of these, let's say Satish Multi-Speciality Dental Clinic, this person does not really have a website, as you can see right here. And when they don't have a website, they're not able to scale it beyond just the point of discoverability on Google Maps. Here is another example. They have a phone number, they are available on Google Maps, but they still don't have a website of their own. Similarly, I can search for real estate brokers near me and I can find a huge list of these companies who have a physical presence. They are on Google Maps, but they don't have a website of their own. This is one example. There are more examples like this. And you can find a huge list of such businesses which might be doing lakhs and lakhs in revenue, but still don't have a website of their own. So you make a list of all of these businesses and note them down. The next step is for you to build a website for them even before you pitch it to them. So that is where you check out Hostinger. Hostinger is an amazing platform for you to build a website from scratch with the help of AI. You don't need to understand code. You simply need to know what you want to build, describe it in as much detail as possible, and Hostinger will just build it in front of you in minutes. Also, Hostinger provides services like email, VPS, hosting, domains, and a lot more. And all you need to do is to simply go on to hostinger.com/in/Ishan. Choose the product, choose the plan, then make the payment via the coupon codes. Ishan20 is what you need to enter there. You'll get a discount and get you started ASAP. The link is also in the description of this video. Once you log in, this is what you will basically see. I will go on to websites and I can set up a business over here. So this is for someone else. I can click on next. I want to create a website. I want it to be a website builder. I'll click on next. And I can search for a domain name. We'll just use a temporary domain for now, but you can also purchase a domain from Hostinger itself. And now Hostinger will start building the website for me. So what website do I want? A minimal website for my dentist clinic that's in, let's say, Koramangala in Bengaluru, offering all solutions and having an option for people to book a session with the doctor. That's it. So I can simply click on this and now it will start building the website for me. So this could be for dentists, for real estate people, people who are making a lot of money, but just because they have a lot of contacts. You come up to them, build a website for them and just reach out to them. As you can see, this is a website that is created in front of you. You can go down, you can see all these images are generated by AI. You can also input your own images and edit this. These are all the services. And then there is a place for you to contact the clinic itself. So this is a great website that we just built, and now we can start editing. Continue to edit this site, and now I can change anything that I want. Maybe I want to change this copy. So I can change this to make it sound something else. So I can be like, have the brightest smile, something like that. I can even change this background section. So if I don't want this video, I can change it and I can make it my own. I can also change this image if I want, edit image, generate image. I can also remove this image if I don't want that. There's so much that you can do over here. You can change entire sections. So this is one section. If you want to remove this section, we can edit it. We can change the background, we can change the image, we can add videos, we can do all types of customizations over here, right? So we can even add our own logo to this. We can add the phone number, the contact email address, everything can be customized. So you have elements that you can add right over here. You can have pages that you can add to this. So currently there's only home and bookings page. Then you can even have styles. So if there's a particular style that you want, you can choose from here. You also have other AI tools. So you have an image generator, you have an AI writer, you have a page generator. You can choose any of these AI tools and start refining your website to your own liking, right? You also have a place for you to add products, add a payment method. So for people to start paying, you can add this over here as well. Update the shipping options, update company details, and you can make all types of adjustments to this. You can even get the SEO started over here so that when someone searches for dentist in Koramangala, Bangalore, you are the one to pop up at the top. And there's also lots of integrations that it has. So for example, integrations with Google Ads. So you can run ads for a particular keyword like dentist or clinic around me. You can connect it with Google Analytics, with a tag manager, with Google AdSense, with AdMob, with Hotjar to discover how people are using your website. You can even connect it with WhatsApp so that people are able to quickly add their phone number and get a default message delivered to them when they book a session. So this is what it looks like. It is even telling you what all things to add. So update image, edit paragraph text, online store setup. So you can add a product, add a payment method. You can make all of these changes and just turn this into a fully functional website. And once you do that, you can connect it with a domain. This is completely responsive. So as you can see, this is what it would look like on a phone. This is the website on a laptop. You can even ask more questions. If you want to ask any questions about this website and how to change certain elements of it, you can then simply go live once you are good with it. So we'll just click on go live. So this is my website. I can click on view mobile. I can view the site right here. Okay, so this is what the website looks like. It's very simple. The craziest part is you can even start accepting payments from this website. So when you click on connect payment method, this would basically allow you to accept payments. If someone wants to book a call with you or book a session with you, dentist appointment, they can basically click on this and they can start entering their details and make the purchase online. They don't need to come to the store, or you don't need to use the hassle of using a GPay QR code. It can all happen seamlessly, all on Hostinger.com. And while you're at it, you can even use other services that Hostinger provides. So we can also go back to Hostinger dashboard and I can show you some other stuff like emails. So you can send emails to the people that you're working with, that are your clients. You can even host your website over here. So they have VPS hosting. They have lots of other things that you can also do. For example, you can get domains. You can even reach out to people. So all the marketing side is also handled on Hostinger. So it's like a one place suite that you can use to do so many things, all for the businesses that you work with. Go up to them and be like, hey, I can give this website for you for 4,000 to 5,000 rupees and this website will be yours forever. I can even keep making adjustments to the website. So if you want to hire me on a retainer basis, probably you can pay me 3,000-4,000 rupees per month and I can keep making any adjustments that you want to this website without you having to touch it yourself. A lot of these people are not tech savvy enough to understand how to use Hostinger or any other platform for that matter, and they end up losing on important revenue for their business. That's where you come in and you first of all give them the website and then you can even upsell them for a retainer. And even if you work with 4 to 5 businesses, you can easily walk away with 20 to 25,000 rupees every month. It does not require a lot of time. I just showed you 2 to 3 businesses who have their presence, but they don't have a website of their own. Just think of the companies that you can outline. And the easiest thing is, if you have this business, you can simply take a screenshot of this and you can drop it in ChatGPT and ask it to give me a prompt to build a website for this small business. And that's it. And there you go. That's a prompt that you can enter into Hostinger to build this entire website for them. So that's the best part about it. Ultimately, if you've been waiting for the day when you'll earn degrees and certificates to get your job and make your first money, Hostinger can help you turn that one day into day one by building websites for businesses and selling to them offline in local nearby locations. That was the video. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. The Hostinger link will be in the description. I'll see you in the next one.